Today's review is on the LINKMICRO 7-inch HD LCD 4-megapixel digital microscope with HDMI output. It was purchased on Amazon.ca for about $352 with tax. It's advertised of having up to 270 times magnification with real-time play multimedia interface. It can be used for circuit board repairing, electronic maintenance, phone repairs, etc. Now, as usual, the opinions expressed here are my own and based on the review of this product. If you like this review, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. So with that, we'll open up the box. Comes with a manual, and we'll maybe look at this after. The remote control. USB plug, and power adapter, HDMI cable, handy dandy little remote. So it's got two types of remotes. Put that here. Stand, or part of the stand. It's got a nice manufactured aluminum. Feels solid. This is really easy to turn. Actually, look at this. Very, very easy to turn. Display monitor and tools. Allen wrench and a few parts. And of course it has a gooseneck. It's off there. There's the base. Couple of LEDs. Lighting. Base feels nice and solid. It's got rubber feet on it, made of thick metal. Aluminum. Well, maybe it is, because it's not magnetic. These gooseneck type power LED lamps are very flexible and should do a good job of lighting up the subjects. Now I will do what you all have been waiting for. The infamous screen protector peel. Wow, doesn't this just give you the goosebumps? And this will go like that. And this will mount down there. And what I'll do is I will mount this on here. I noticed that it's got two little rubber, you can see them here. It's got a couple of rubber pads on there so that it doesn't mar this part here. Now, See here, it has HDMI, your micro USB, place for an SD card. It's got a filter on the bottom. Here. It's got a filter on there. And looks like that's the focus. This we'll see. This will mount like so. Like that. Tilt it up a bit here so you guys can see this. It's got this long cord, 90-degree micro HDMI. Oh, that's not the H, that's the micro USB. To the USB here. And let's power for the LEDs. Bottom there. That kind of cool. It's good. Put it in. This video is going to take too long, so part 2 will dwell in the operational aspect of the AD407. I will have samples of pictures and videos taken with the microscope. In the meantime, if you are looking for a video splitter, check out this high-resolution 2-port DTEC review.